Elizabeth Jeffrey. I'm one of the attorneys here at Swartz and Swartz. One of the types of law that we practice is motor vehicle accidents. Specifically in Massachusetts, we have to worry about weather. I know the Farmer's Almanac has predicted that this winter in 2024 is going to be very brutal with lots of precipitation, snow, rain, and slush. Weather-related car crashes, just like any car crash, can cause very serious injuries, everything from broken bones, concussions, to nerve damage, and even post-traumatic stress disorder. In the US, ICE contributes to over 150,000 crashes every year and injures over 40,000 people. In fact, the US Department of Transportation estimates that 1 in every 4 crashes is due to wintry weather conditions. Insurance companies will use that bad weather to try and downplay the fault of the injured driver, and they use that lessened liability to try and avoid or at least diminish the payment that they pay out to injured parties. Sometimes insurance companies will apply what's called no-fault coverage in that situation just as a compromise, but often that coverage isn't much, maybe only a few $1,000s, and certainly in this economic market doesn't cover a new car or hospitalization for injuries that you've sustained. Whatever the weather in your car accident, the experienced attorneys at Swartz and Swartz would be happy to talk to you about whether you've